Alright, what's up Fisker fans? As you can see, we are at the ramp once again, and we are heading out on the Sound. I got my buddy Andrew with me. We're going to try and get him on some fish today. It's been a long couple days. We did an all-nighter last night, and it was not productive, but that's why they call it fishing. It's not always easy. So we're going to go out on the Sound. We're going to get him on some porgies. Hopefully there's some blues around and whatever else we can catch as a bycatch, but just going to look have some fun on the water before the weather comes in tomorrow. So let's get out there.
Good?
Yep.
You having fun?
Yep.
Can you ever imagine this getting boring?
Nope.
Paulie gets bored with this. more. He's a monster. He's a monster, I tell you. Look at the size of this.
Wow. Why? Yo.
3, 2,
That's
1.
That's a dinner in itself.
yeah.
Look at it. Ah. Stop! Hit it with a club! Oh, now it's down there. Come on. Okay. Open. Close, hurry. He got out, didn't he?
No.
No?
No, he's in.
Oh, you got two. You got two. You got two. Get him in. Get him in. Over.
Two.
You finally got a double.
Oh my God.
Hold on. You gotta hold that up so I can get a picture of you holding the
One's
two
off.
fish. Oh, okay. All right. Put it back on. Guess we gotta stop saving this. Birds over here. I think they hit blues. Get ready with your bluefish rod. Again?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Just fight it. Keep the tip up. There we go. I'm in two.
What is it?
Bluefish.
Oh God.
Ah, you lost them. All right, get it out. Over to your left. Over to your left. They're jumping out of the water.
Oh my God. Where?
To your left.
Okay.
Yep. Good cast.
Oh,
Get ready for it.
yeah. No kidding. Ooh, got it. Oh my God. This is crazy. Ah! Ah! This is awesome. Oh my God. Oh man.
All right, you're gonna try and bring them over to me.
Okay. That looks like Monty Monty. Oh my God, stop.
All right, bring them over here. Bring them over here. Spitting peanut butter all over the place.
All right, all right, all right. That's awesome.
Bleeding everywhere.
They're jumping everywhere.
All right, see if you can open the cooler. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Slam it now.
Oh my God.
Boat's gonna need a good washing.
Oh God.
They're over there.
Huh?
Over that way. See them? All right.
Oh, I got it.
Okay. All right. Fight it. the tip. Okay, I'm in. Now we're both in. Ah, I lost mine. Okay, that's good. Alright, bring yours over here.
Oh my god.
Now you know why I've been wanting to find these things all day.
Yeah.
Come on. Tighten up your drag just a little. Good. Bring it over to me. That's it. That's it. Don't reel up no more.
Oh my god.
And this is what the mate does when we get back to the house. He gets to wash all the rods. That's payment for a good guide service. So Andrew, what was the best part of today?
Catching the bluefish.
Bluefish. Everybody sticks their nose up at bluefish. We love them. We'll catch them all day long, right? All right, so we got a cooler full of fish here with the 2 bluefish and a bunch of porgies, and then we got fish over here that I'm gonna clean for Andrew's family and some friends. These ones, the neighbors are gonna take them whole, and then we got to wash down the boat and all the cutting boards and all that stuff. So well, it was a great day. It was a beautiful day on the water. Water was so calm, and then a nice breeze came in and the wind picked up a little bit, made it a little choppy, but that was no big deal. Just had to go in a little slower than normal. But all in all, we had a great day. Put Andrew on all his first fluke, first sea bass, first porgy, first snappers, first sea robins. So I think he had a blast. I had a blast watching them and catching alongside of them. So it was a good day. We had, I think we came home with 54 porgies, 2 bluefish, some snappers that we're going to use for bait tomorrow. And so that's it, man. It was a good day on the Sound. So tomorrow we're going to get Hurricane Ida. It's going to start hitting us tomorrow. Well, it's not a hurricane anymore, but the remnants of Ida are going to come up this way and screw up the next 2 days. So, but we're going to go on the beach tomorrow with the truck and see how that goes. So hopefully we'll get some footage of catching some fish off the beach. So as always, thanks for watching. Please, if you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe and click that bell notification so that you can know when we're uploading. And as always, we'll see you out on the water. Thanks, guys.